Welcome to the Studds Cub part replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor replacement. To replace the visor in your helmet, first, carefully remove the Studds logo plate from its position using a screwdriver covered with soft cloth, one by one. Open the screw. Then pull out the big flap from its space using a screwdriver. Now pull out the visor from the helmet. Repeat the process for the other side of the helmet. Carefully remove the Studds logo plate from its position using a screwdriver. Open the screw, then pull out the big flap from its space using a screwdriver. Pull out the visor from the helmet. To reinstall the visor back, place the visor back on its place. Insert the big flap in its space. Tighten the screw. Insert the logo plate. Finally, operate the visor to check if it is working properly. Small flap replacement. Your helmet comes with a replaceable small flap. To replace small flap, use a screwdriver covered with soft cloth and pull it out from its space one by one carefully. To reinstall, insert the small flap in its space one by one as shown in the video. Cheek pads replacement. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two snaps opening. Repeat the same for the other side. Then pull out the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheet comes out of the helmet. Both the cheek pads detached from the helmet. To reinstall the cheek pads back, push the plastic sheet inside first and then snap the cheek pads back in its place. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studds.com or get in touch with your nearest Studds dealership.